Whether you're just starting out and making $0 per month, or you're already on your way and making $10,000 per month, we can all agree that making $50,000 or more on Amazon FBA is a worthwhile goal. Doing $50,000 a month in sales on Amazon FBA might seem that it's out of touch or might not be attainable, but I'm going to explain to you why it's not much further than you think, and it actually is only a few simple steps and tweaks to bring your business to there and much further. So if we break down the goal of making $50,000 a month in sales with Amazon FBA, we need to come up with how much inventory do we actually need to purchase and sell through to hit that goal. If we run some quick math, if we purchase half of what our goal is to sell, aka $25,000 worth of product, and send that product into Amazon FBA and it sells, with some of the fees being anywhere from 20 to 30%, if not a little bit more, that roughly brings us to our goal of $50,000 a month. Now, if we break that goal down a little bit further, we have $25,000 worth of inventory that we need to purchase over a given month and send in for the following month to be roughly $50,000 in sales. Now, this math might be a little bit off, but it's not so off because once you do this consistently, it's going to scale up and down as much as you want to go. So let's say we wanted to purchase product 25 times per month, meaning we were willing to sit there and source 25 times per month, whether that's 2 sessions a day times 12 days, or whether that's, 25 sessions, or you're doing it every other day, whatever it may be, you need to sit there and break that goal down of spending $25,000 and sending it into Amazon FBA. If you divide that up over 25 days, you need to roughly purchase $1,000 worth of inventory. Hold yourself to this goal. Setting a buy goal is one of the biggest things that takes an experienced seller to the next level. Once you know what you're doing and you actually stay committed to a certain purchasing goal, you're going to be able to do this and scale your business every single month. Let's say you wanted to take it a step higher and wanted to do $500,000 in sales. That means that you need to purchase $250,000 worth of inventory over 25 days. That's $10,000 a day. That seems a lot higher, but you guys were just starting out with, let's say, $10,000 a month in sales. So to get to the next level, you need to just kind of multiply your sourcing goals. And the way to do this is to actually systemize your business. So that's my second step after you start to actually set sourcing goals, is start to build systems. So for example, if you're doing online arbitrage, you need to build a system that can be replicated. The only way to grow is by either spending more time, which shouldn't be our goal, or building a system that can be replicated and pull your time out of the business. So if you're trying to go from 10 to 50,000 in sales, it might be time to outsource part of your business, whether that's the prep side of your business, or get help with some of the sourcing, where you hire a virtual assistant or a VA to help you with the sourcing, and you train them to think like you do and find products for you. That's a way to get your time back and help you scale to get your purchasing goals and make sure they always happen. Even if you don't utilize all the products that a VA is sending you, it still is pretty helpful, and it's a good way to start to build that system out, because if you can do it, you should be able to also show a VA how to do it, and it'll only get you better at sourcing, building them a step-by-step system to do so. The last piece of insight I want to talk about to get to $50,000 a month in sales is you need to actually sell through all this inventory. These businesses can't make money when they're not selling the inventory. Yes, you make money on the buy, but there's also a lot of money in the sale. So you got to set up either a repricer or have a good algorithm to make sure that you're selling your inventory on a good basis. Something that we've set up is we try and sell through our inventory in 30 days. And after 30 days, if it still has not sold out, we want to get that cash back and move it into a new flip. So then our repricer will start to go down in that 30 to 45 day range. So that's a good way to make sure that you're selling through your inventory. And we have some options for repricers that we've talked about. And we're eventually going to make a new video about repricers and how to actually use them to both optimize your sales, optimize your inventory sell through, and also help you squeeze out more profit for every single item that you're selling. And remember, most people are setting their repricers to sell down or price down, but most of the time, if you really know what you're doing, you're going to be having your repricers price up to make you more money. That's the goal. These repricers should help you automate selling through inventory, but also help you make more money on the back end, because once you get the buy box, you don't always have to be the lowest price to actually get the buy box when you're competitive. I have used all of these strategies to scale up to sell well over $50,000 per month in sales, and also get to our goal of over $250,000 in sales. The next ones that we're chasing is actually hitting the $500,000 mark in sales and going up to the millions, but we're still going to be using these key points to actually keep scaling this business every single month. By using these same strategies, I have faith that you guys will be able to replicate this and scale your business to whatever level you want to get to. Like I said before, they scale both up and down, and building systems to be able to replicate is the key to scaling this business. But the number one thing is staying consistent. I've been doing this for over 5 years now, and pretty much every day for 5 years, we've been opening up Amazon charts and basically living and breathing Amazon. You have to stay consistent and keep putting in the work day in and day out, and this business is not going to move without you doing it. If you're looking for more in-depth strategies to get your Amazon FBA business going, feel free to click the link down below and schedule a one-on-one call with me. That's it for this video about how to get your business to $50,000 a month in sales with Amazon FBA. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for your business.